Cortex XDR Online Training. Introduction to Cortex XDR, Overview and Benefits. Introduction to Cortex XDR, Overview and Benefits. Cortex XDR, Extended Detection and Response, is a security solution developed by Palo Alto Networks designed to integrate and unify multiple security products and data sources into a single, cohesive platform. It aims to provide advanced detection, investigation, and response capabilities to better protect organizations from sophisticated cyber threats. Overview. Unified Security Platform, Cortex XDR integrates various security data sources, including endpoints, networks, and cloud environments, into a single platform. This integration allows for a holistic view of an organization's security posture. Advanced detection. The platform uses advanced analytics and machine learning to detect threats across multiple vectors. It goes beyond traditional endpoint detection and response (EDR) by analyzing data from network traffic, endpoints, and cloud services. Automated response. Cortex XDR provides automated response capabilities to quickly address and contain threats. Automated workflows and playbooks help in mitigating threats with minimal human intervention. Investigation and forensics. It offers robust tools for investigation and forensics, enabling security teams to analyze and understand the scope of incidents. This includes detailed timelines, root cause analysis, and correlation of events across different data sources. Integration with existing tools. Cortex XDR can integrate with a variety of third-party security tools and solutions, allowing organizations to leverage their existing investments and enhance their overall security posture. Benefits. Comprehensive visibility. By consolidating data from endpoints, network, and cloud sources, Cortex XDR provides comprehensive visibility into an organization's security landscape. This unified view helps in identifying and responding to threats more effectively. Improved detection and accuracy. The use of advanced analytics, behavioral analysis, and machine learning enhances the accuracy of threat detection. This reduces the number of false positives and ensures that genuine threats are identified and addressed promptly. Faster incident response. Automated response capabilities and predefined playbooks enable rapid response to incidents. This reduces the time to contain and remediate threats, minimizing potential damage. Efficient investigation. The platform's advanced investigation tools streamline the process of understanding and analyzing security incidents. Detailed insights and contextual information help security teams make informed decisions and improve their response strategies. Cost efficiency. By integrating multiple security functions into a single platform, Cortex XDR can help reduce the complexity and cost associated with managing disparate security solutions. It also enhances the efficiency of security operations through automation and centralized management. Scalability. Cortex XDR is designed to scale with an organization's needs, supporting a wide range of environments from small businesses to large enterprises. Its flexibility allows it to adapt to changing security requirements and evolving threat landscapes. Enhanced threat intelligence. The platform leverages threat intelligence feeds and integrates them with internal data to provide a more accurate and comprehensive view of emerging threats. This proactive approach helps in anticipating and mitigating potential risks. Regulatory compliance. Cortex XDR supports compliance with various regulatory requirements by providing detailed reporting, audit trails, and security controls. This helps organizations meet their compliance obligations and demonstrate adherence to industry standards. Getting started with Cortex XDR, installation and configuration. To get started with Cortex XDR, follow these steps for installation and configuration. 1. Prerequisites. Before installation, ensure you meet the following prerequisites. System requirements. Check the official Cortex XDR documentation for the latest system requirements for both the management server and endpoint agents. Permissions. Ensure you have the necessary administrative privileges to install software and configure settings on your system. Network configuration. Verify that your network settings allow communication between the Cortex XDR components and that necessary ports are open. 2. Account setup. Sign up. If you don't already have a Cortex XDR account, sign up through Palo Alto Networks or contact your sales representative. Login. Access the Cortex XDR console via the web interface using your provided credentials. 3. Installation. A. Management console. Download the installer. Obtain the Cortex XDR Management Console installer from Palo Alto Networks. Run the installer. Follow the installation wizard to set up the management console on a server. This may involve selecting installation directories, configuring service accounts, and specifying database connections. B. Endpoint agents. Download agents. Download the Cortex XDR agent for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Install agents. Run the installation package on each endpoint you want to protect. You may need to provide a license key or configuration details during installation. 4. Initial configuration. A. Management console. Login. Access the Cortex XDR Management Console. Setup configuration. Configure initial settings such as data storage, email alerts, and integration with other security tools. Policy creation. Define and apply security policies according to your organization's requirements. B. Endpoint configuration. Register agents. Ensure that the endpoint agents are correctly registered with the Cortex XDR Management Console. Policy deployment. Deploy security policies and configurations to the endpoint agents. 5. Integration and customization. Integrate with existing tools. If necessary, integrate Cortex XDR with other security tools and platforms. Example, SIEMs, threat intelligence feeds. Customize dashboards. Configure dashboards and reporting features to match your organization's needs. Set up alerts and automation. Define alert rules and automate responses based on detected threats. 6. Testing and validation. Verify installation. Check that all components are functioning correctly and that agents are reporting back to the management console. Conduct testing. Perform tests to ensure that security policies are being enforced and that alerts are generated as expected. Cortex XDR architecture. Understanding the components. Cortex XDR, developed by Palo Alto Networks, is an extended detection and response platform designed to integrate and analyze data across various security layers to provide a comprehensive view of threats. Understanding its architecture involves exploring its core components and how they work together to enhance security operations. Here's an overview. 1. Data collection. Endpoints. Cortex XDR collects data from endpoints through agents deployed on various devices. These agents gather telemetry data, such as process execution, file changes, and network connections. Network data is collected through network sensors or integrations with network traffic analysis tools. This includes information about network flows, connections, and behaviors. Cloud integration with cloud services provides visibility into cloud environments, including cloud-native services, workloads, and configurations. 2. Data ingestion and integration. Centralized data collection. Data from endpoints, network, and cloud sources is ingested into a centralized repository. Cortex XDR aggregates and normalizes this data to ensure consistency and relevance. Third-party integrations. Cortex XDR can integrate with other security tools and platforms, example CM systems, threat intelligence feeds, to enrich its data and provide a more comprehensive security posture. 3. Data storage. Big data infrastructure. Cortex XDR uses scalable, big data infrastructure to store and manage the large volumes of data collected. This infrastructure supports efficient querying and analysis. 4. Data analysis. Behavioral analytics. Cortex XDR employs advanced behavioral analytics to identify deviations from normal activity patterns. This helps in detecting potential threats that may not be flagged by traditional signature-based methods. Machine learning and AI. Machine learning algorithms and AI models analyze the collected data to detect anomalies, predict threats, and provide insights into potential risks. These models continuously learn and adapt to evolving threat landscapes. Correlation and aggregation. The platform correlates data across different sources, endpoints, network, cloud, to identify complex attack patterns and provide a unified view of security events. 5. Detection and response. Threat detection. Cortex XDR provides real-time detection of threats using a combination of rule-based and AI-driven methods. Alerts are generated based on identified anomalies, indicators of compromise, IOCs, and other threat signals. Incident investigation. Security teams can use Cortex XDR's investigation tools to analyze alerts, trace attack paths, and understand the context of security incidents. This helps in prioritizing and responding to threats effectively. Automated response. The platform can automate response actions based on predefined playbooks or machine learning-driven recommendations. This includes actions such as isolating affected endpoints, blocking malicious traffic, or initiating forensic analysis. 6. Management and reporting. Dashboards. Cortex XDR provides customizable dashboards that offer a visual representation of security data, alerts, and trends. These dashboards help security teams monitor the overall security posture and identify emerging threats. Reporting. The platform generates detailed reports on security incidents, threat trends, and overall system health. These reports support compliance requirements and provide insights for improving security strategies. Threat detection capabilities in Cortex XDR. Cortex XDR by Palo Alto Networks offers comprehensive threat detection capabilities designed to provide a unified and proactive approach to cybersecurity. Here are the key aspects of its threat detection capabilities. 1. Extended detection and response (XDR) integration. Unified data collection. Cortex XDR integrates data from various sources, including endpoints, network, and cloud environments. This holistic view enables more accurate threat detection and response. Contextual correlation. By correlating data from disparate sources, Cortex XDR provides a broader context for identifying and analyzing threats. 2. Advanced threat detection. Behavioral analysis. Cortex XDR uses machine learning and behavioral analytics to identify anomalies and potential threats based on deviations from normal behavior. Threat intelligence integration. The platform integrates with threat intelligence feeds to enhance detection capabilities and provide insights into emerging threats and attack patterns. Detection rules and policies. It leverages pre-built and customizable detection rules and policies to identify known attack vectors and suspicious activities. 3. Automated incident response. Automated responses. Cortex XDR can automatically respond to detected threats by isolating affected endpoints, blocking malicious activities, or applying predefined remediation actions. Orchestration and automation. The platform supports orchestration with other security tools and automated workflows to streamline the incident response process. 4. Advanced analytics. AI and machine learning. Cortex XDR employs AI and machine learning algorithms to detect sophisticated threats and reduce false positives. These technologies enable predictive analytics and proactive threat hunting. Root cause analysis. The platform provides tools for in-depth root cause analysis, helping security teams understand the origin and impact of threats. 5. Incident investigation and forensics. Centralized investigation. Cortex XDR offers a centralized console for investigating and analyzing incidents. It provides detailed insights into attack chains, affected assets, and potential impacts. Forensic capabilities. The platform includes forensic tools to analyze historical data, uncover evidence, and support post-incident investigations. 6. Real-time monitoring. Continuous monitoring. Cortex XDR provides real-time monitoring of security events and network traffic, allowing for rapid detection and response to emerging threats. Dashboard and reporting. The platform features customizable dashboards and reporting tools to visualize threat data, track metrics, and generate actionable insights. 7. Endpoint detection and response (EDR) capabilities. Endpoint visibility. Cortex XDR offers detailed visibility into endpoint activities, including file operations, processes, and network connections. Threat detection on endpoints. It monitors and analyzes endpoint behaviors to identify and respond to threats at the endpoint level. 8. Network detection and response (NDR) capabilities. Network traffic analysis. Cortex XDR analyzes network traffic to detect malicious activities, data exfiltration, and lateral movement within the network. Network anomaly detection. It identifies unusual network patterns and behaviors that may indicate a potential threat. 9. Cloud security integration. Cloud workload protection. Cortex XDR extends its threat detection capabilities to cloud environments, including SaaS applications and cloud infrastructure. Incident response with Cortex XDR. Key features and best practices. Cortex XDR by Palo Alto Networks is a comprehensive extended detection and response (XDR) platform that integrates security data from multiple sources to provide advanced threat detection and response capabilities. Here's an overview of its key features and best practices for incident response. Key features: integrated threat detection, unified data collection. Cortex XDR collects and correlates data from endpoints, networks, and cloud environments to provide a holistic view of threats. Advanced analytics. It uses machine learning and behavioral analysis to detect anomalies and sophisticated threats across the entire IT environment. Automated response. Playbooks and automation. Cortex XDR provides customizable playbooks that automate response actions based on predefined rules and conditions. Orchestration. It integrates with other security tools to coordinate responses and streamline workflows. Incident investigation. Contextual analysis offers deep contextual insights into incidents, helping security teams understand the attack scope and impact. Interactive dashboards provides visualizations and interactive dashboards to facilitate investigation and analysis. Threat intelligence. Integrated threat intelligence leverages global threat intelligence feeds to enhance detection capabilities and provide actionable insights. Threat intelligence sharing allows integration with other threat intelligence platforms for enriched data. Endpoint and network visibility. Comprehensive coverage provides visibility into both endpoint and network activities, allowing for a more thorough analysis of potential threats. Forensic capabilities offers tools for forensic analysis to understand attack methods and trace the attacker's actions. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud-native architecture. Cortex XDR is designed to scale effortlessly with your organization's needs, adapting to changes in the threat landscape. Flexible deployment can be deployed on-premises, in the cloud, or as a hybrid solution depending on your requirements. Best practices for incident response. Establish clear procedures. Develop and document incident response procedures that outline steps for detection, analysis, containment, eradication, and recovery. Regularly update and test these procedures to ensure they remain effective against evolving threats. Leverage automation. Use Cortex XDR's automation capabilities to reduce response times and minimize human error. Implement automated playbooks to handle common incident scenarios and free up analysts to focus on more complex issues. Integrate threat intelligence. Utilize threat intelligence feeds to stay informed about emerging threats and incorporate this information into your detection and response strategies. Share relevant threat intelligence with other teams and partners to enhance collective defense efforts. Conduct regular training and drills. Train your security team on using Cortex XDR and other integrated tools effectively. Perform regular incident response drills to ensure that your team can quickly and efficiently respond to real-world incidents. Continuously monitor and tune. Continuously monitor for new threats and adjust your detection rules and response strategies accordingly. Advanced analytics in Cortex XDR, leveraging machine learning. Advanced analytics in Cortex XDR, particularly when leveraging machine learning, plays a crucial role in enhancing security operations. Here's a detailed look at how this integration works and its benefits. 1. Machine learning models. Behavioral analysis. Cortex XDR employs machine learning to analyze user and network behavior. By establishing baselines of normal behavior, it can detect deviations that might indicate malicious activity. For example, if a user suddenly starts accessing large amounts of sensitive data, machine learning algorithms can flag this as suspicious. Anomaly detection. Machine learning models are used to identify anomalies in network traffic, endpoint activities, and user behavior. These anomalies could indicate potential threats that traditional signature-based systems might miss. 2. Threat detection and prevention. Predictive analytics. Machine learning algorithms can predict potential threats based on historical data and emerging trends. This allows Cortex XDR to proactively address potential vulnerabilities before they are exploited. Automated threat correlation. The system correlates data from various sources, example endpoints, network traffic, and logs, to identify complex attack patterns. Machine learning enhances this process by learning from new threats and improving the accuracy of correlations. 3. Incident response. Enhanced investigation. Machine learning tools assist in faster and more accurate investigation of incidents. By analyzing large volumes of data, these tools can pinpoint the root cause of incidents and suggest remediation steps. Automated response. Machine learning can trigger automated responses based on detected threats. For instance, if an anomaly is detected, Cortex XDR can automatically isolate the affected endpoint or block malicious network traffic. 4. Data enrichment. Contextual insights. Machine learning helps in enriching the data with contextual information, such as identifying the nature of a threat and its potential impact. This improves the accuracy of threat assessments and response strategies. Threat intelligence integration. The system can integrate with external threat intelligence sources, using machine learning to correlate external threat data with internal observations for a more comprehensive view of the threat landscape. 5. Continuous improvement. Adaptive learning. Machine learning models in Cortex XDR continuously learn from new data, improving their accuracy over time. This adaptive learning ensures that the system remains effective against evolving threats. Feedback loops. The system incorporates feedback from previous incidents to refine and enhance its detection and response capabilities. 6. Scalability and efficiency. Handling large data volumes. Machine learning algorithms are designed to process and analyze large volumes of data efficiently, making it feasible to handle the vast amounts of information generated by modern IT environments. Resource optimization. By automating the detection and response processes, Machine learning reduces the need for manual intervention, allowing security teams to focus on more strategic tasks. Benefits: increased accuracy. Machine learning enhances the accuracy of threat detection by identifying subtle patterns and anomalies that might be missed by traditional methods. Why choose ProExcellency for Cortex XDR online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Cortex XDR online training can offer several benefits. Expert instructors. ProExcellency often provides experienced trainers with deep knowledge of Cortex XDR, ensuring that the training is comprehensive and up-to-date with the latest features and best practices. Customized curriculum. They may offer tailored courses designed to meet the specific needs of different organizations or individuals, covering various aspects of Cortex XDR, from basic functionalities to advanced configurations. Hands-on training. Practical, hands-on labs and exercises are often included to help learners apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios, which can be crucial for mastering Cortex XDR. Flexible learning options. Online training provides the convenience of learning from anywhere at any time, which can be especially beneficial for busy professionals. Certification preparation. ProExcellency might offer preparation for Cortex XDR certification exams, helping learners gain formal recognition of their skills. Support and resources. Access to ongoing support and additional resources, such as forums or supplementary materials, can enhance the learning experience. Positive feedback. If ProExcellency has a strong track record and positive reviews from past students, it can be an indicator of the quality and effectiveness of their training programs. Thank you.